to your team's journey to success forward together. Dear graduating students, as you embark on the next chapter of your lives, let us reflect on the journey that has brought us here. Together, we've weathered challenges, celebrated victories, and forged bonds that will last a lifetime. Now, as you step forward into your careers armed with the knowledge and skills acquired through your Bachelor of Science in Hospitality Management and Bachelor of Science in Business Administration degrees, remember that success is not a solitary pursuit. It's a journey we undertake together, drawing strength from our collective experiences, wisdom, and support. In the dynamic fields of hospitality and business administration, collaboration is key and embrace opportunities to learn from one another, to share insights, and to lift each other's up along the way. As you navigate the twists and turns of your professional path, remember that you are not alone. Lean on your peers, your mentors, and your loved ones for guidance and encouragement. Together, we can overcome any obstacles and achieve remarkable success. So, as you step forth on this exciting journey, let us congratulations, graduates, and may your future be filled with endless possibilities and shared triumphs.